Hello everyone. Uh, this is a Rotimatic machine that we purchased 2 years ago. I am doing a 2 year review of this. We have used it almost every week from last 2 years, sometimes every day. So the use of this machine has been very frequent, and this is how it looks like after 2 years. So you need to do cleanup every week or after every use to keep it running. We had some minor issues where it was stuck, but with a regular cleanup it works fine. So I am going to make around 7 chapatis or 5 chapatis today. Just 5 and then press start. Yes. So it takes around 4 to 5 minutes for warm up, and then it starts making chapati. It's pretty good machine. I would recommend someone who is very busy and don't have much time to cook, especially if both or everyone in the household is working and you have just few hours in between meetings to eat lunch or dinner. Then this machine is for you. It does the job. The roti is quite good, so it's not exactly like homemade chapati or roti, but it is actually fresh and quite good, so we like it. So I would definitely recommend. So as you can see, it's taking some time to warm up, and then it will start making the roti. To use this machine, you just need to add flour and then water here and oil. Select the number of chapati that you want to eat. For example, I want to eat 5 chapatis. Select 5 and then select start. You want to start making roti? Yes. It will do a final check where it will make sure everything is running fine, and then it will start making chapatis in few minutes. Right now it's making dough. The machine is quite loud, so be mindful of that. It will make some noise while making the chapati. So you can see it's automatically making the dough right now. while it is making the first roti here, it already started making a dough for the second one. The first roti is ready. So you also have an option to select the thickness and the roast level and the amount of oil that you want to eat, and then you can select it from the menu here. But for me, I like the thickness of 4 and 2 roast level with oil. So that's the best option that I find for me. So you can see the roti is ready. It's quite good. So the roti is ready. You can see it's pretty hot, but all the rotis are ready and it's pretty soft. Once you are done, you can just select and turn it off. So with a container full of flour, water and oil, you can make around 10 to 15 chapati, or maybe around 10. But yeah, that's how it looks like, and that was a 2-year review. Thanks everyone for watching.